Hi. My name Giuliana, Juliana. Welcome everyone.
My name Lobevander. Come sign together. Conversation. So how to say hi in sign language is put your hand into a B and you put it on your forehead. You said hi, hi, hi. Or if you want to say what's up, you can put your middle finger up to your chest and say what's up, what's up. And that's how you say hi and what's up.
I'm going to teach you how to say how are you. How are you? Sign language has its own grammar and language, so there are many different ways on how to say how are you. My name, make sure to type it 2 times. My name, Giulia. How to do emotions. So I'm good. I'm tired. I'm angry. I'm sad. This is how to say you too. Put your pointer finger and then you too. I will teach you how to say have a nice day. Have a nice day. Nice to meet you.
I'm gonna teach you how to say please sign slowly, which is how to say please is your palm of your hand of your dominant hand up to your chest and rub it in circles. Please. And then how to do sign is you put your 2 pointing fingers up and move towards your chest, like inwards. Sign. So it's please, sign. And then slowly is you put your non-dominant arm out in your dominant hand and put it on your hand and then move up slowly. Where are you from in sign language? And that is you from where? From is your dominant hand onto your non-dominant and like this. From, and where. So it goes you from where? I'm learning sign. Okay, ready? I'm pointing to yourself. Dominant hand is mostly gonna do all the moves. And we're gonna do I'm learning. Your hands are like a book. Dominant hand on top, and you put the words in your mind. Sign is like we learned before, is your 2 pointing fingers and inwards. Move inwards. I'm learning sign. That or here. That or here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for learning sign together. Bye.